contest set for one fall has a 20-minute time limit and is for the TBS Championship. Introducing first the challenger from Brunswick, Georgia, Anna Jay.
Anna Jay in her first match in 164 days. 7th all-time in wins in the women's division with 72 in her great career.
And her opponent from Long Island, New York. She is the reigning and defending TBS champion, Willow Nightingale.
Willow Nightingale, who has 9 straight singles wins overall, has earned the comeback killer nickname with 3 straight wins over opponents coming off injuries or hiatuses, as Hikaru Shida, Queen Aminata, and Camille have all fallen to the comeback killer. And now we have Anna Jay, who said her first match in 164 days. Pretty tough assignment for Anna Jay. Look at this pickup. Anna Jay knew the corner was coming. You could see it in her eyes. Nothing she could do about it.
Show me your fire. Come on. You want to
Show me your fire. How about that from the TBS champ? And Anna's going to show the fire, all right.
Flurry of forearms, but a smile on the face of Nightingale in response. And there, the power of the TBS champion. Nightingale, a true fan favorite. Naturally warm and likable character, but as deadly as it comes.
All right, this is for the TBS Championship, and we'll continue. Stay with us on TNT.
Nightingale, Long Island native, has developed quite the resume of championships. Winner of the 2023 Owen Hart Cup as well.
Right now, Willow Nightingale is anything but the friendly, smiling face we see coming into the ring.
Nightingale is fired up.
Boy, she really is.
Well, going for the big superplex off the middle rope. Not much Anna Jay can do.
There it is! Willow! She's hooked in again, and a pickup.
Textbook Willow Nightingale. Death Valley driver, deep leg on the cover.
2, no! The DVD close to winning it for Willow Nightingale. Looked like she was going to try like the Oklahoma Stampede. But picks up the bang with a powerbomb. 1, 2, 3. Make it 4 in a row for the champ.
Here's your winner.